Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be visiting Shymbulak Ski Resort, one of the most famous mountain spots in Kazakhstan. We're taking Yandex to reach Medeu Cable Car station, the starting point for our cable car ride to Shymbulak. Even though it's still early November and the slopes aren't open for skiing yet, the mountains are beautiful, topped with snow, and the resort is a perfect place to enjoy crisp mountain air and breathtaking views. Shymbulak sits in the Ski Mountains, and it's been a hub for winter sports since the 1950s. Today, we'll take the cable car up the mountains, which is fun for everyone, especially our little ones, who loves the ride.
Medeu Cable Car is a scenic mountain ride that connects the famous high-altitude Medeu Sports Complex all the way up to Talgar Pass, deep in the Trans-Ili Alatau Mountains through multi-level lines. The construction first began in 2007 as part of the preparation for the 2011 Asian Winter Games. After the event completed, it then became a public major access route to Shymbulak. This first line stretches 4.5 kilometers long from Medeu Sports Complex and taking us up to Shymbulak Ski Resort area in roughly 15 minutes. This gondola will take us from the altitude of 1,700 meters up to the 2,300 meters above sea level at the ski resort. From here, we can see the Medeu skating rink, and it is one of the most iconic and historic ice arenas in the world. Sitting at 1,700 meters above sea level, it's famed as the highest outdoor ice skating rink on Earth. The rink officially opened in 1951, and for many years, Medeu hosted international competitions in speed skating, hockey, figure skating, and even bandy, helping cement its legacy in winter sports history. Oh, sorry. Maaf ya, Nak. Bagus saya lah. Oke. Thank you.
Even without skiing, Shymbulak is a fun place to see. There are cafes where you can just relax and enjoy scenery, plus you can experience snow reaching the top of the mountain.
From the ski resort area, we are now taking the next line of the cable car that brings us to the middle station. It has a breathtaking views and photo spots at the altitude of 2,900 meters above sea level. The average temperature at Medeu Station during winter time is around -5 to -10 degrees Celsius. Wind blows, we can really feel the cold air through our bones.
Ақтөбе, нихау. Ақтөбе, Болатбек. Ақтөбе, Болатбек.
Mestinya gunungnya bagus nih kelihatan. After spending the whole day in the freezy mountains, we are now heading down back to the sport complex before it gets dark. Unfortunately, the sun sets earlier in winter time at around 4:30 p.m. local time.